5 morning habits for a healthy start. Here are 5 simple yet powerful morning habits that can help you start your day feeling energized and focused. Habit 1. Hydrate first thing in the morning. After hours of rest, our bodies need water to kickstart the day. Drinking a glass of water right after waking up can rehydrate you, flush out toxins, and wake up your system. For an added boost, try adding a slice of lemon for extra vitamin C. Habit 2. Stretch or do a quick exercise. A quick stretch or short exercise session helps increase circulation, wake up your muscles, and get you energized. Whether it's a few yoga poses, a brief jog, or simple stretches, find a routine that feels right for you. Even 5 minutes can make a big difference. Habit 3. Practice mindfulness or meditate. Start your day with a clear and a bright mind. Taking just a few moments to practice mindfulness or meditation can reduce stress and increase focus. It doesn't have to be complicated. Simply sit, breathe deeply, and focus on positive thoughts or gratitude. Habit 4. Eat a balanced breakfast. Don't skip breakfast. Eating a nutritious breakfast gives your body the fuel it needs for the day. Go for balanced options that include protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Think oats with fruits, eggs with whole grain toast, or a smoothie packed with greens and fruits. Habit 5. Set intentions for the day. Finally, set your intentions. Take a few moments to plan out your day or set a positive intention. This simple act can increase focus and give your day a purpose. Whether it's writing down goals or just a mental check-in, setting an intention can help you stay motivated and aligned throughout the day. Start your day right. Incorporating these 5 habits into your morning can set a healthy tone for the entire day. Remember, it's the little changes that often make the biggest difference. So, start small, be consistent, and see how these habits transform your mornings. Hopefully these tips are useful. Like this video, share it with your friends who need it. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss other important healthy info and tips. See you in the next video.